Good. Yes, take me to stage 1. Alright. We're gonna try to get to a good stage. Alright, here we go. What? It seems like this person kind of messed up. Why am I going back? Alright, here. 1, 2, bam. No! Lady! Stop it! Here I go. I'm on the roll. Yeah, boys. Alright. I think this is the obby I was doing on my live stream while I was doing my live stream. I never completed it, but I was doing this on my live stream while I was talking to you guys. Yeet! Ink at that checkpoint. Oh, I almost fell because I didn't see those, because they're white. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Wait, it didn't make me start all over again. Yay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bam. Alright, here come these things. I hate, oh no, here comes this one that I don't like at all. I think it was like this one, and then this one, and then this one. Wait, can you just, oh, you just have to avoid the red. Oh. Was it really that easy? Oh. Wait, no! I have to keep going back to level 1. Oh, this is gonna be so annoying. I thought it was maybe just like a glitch. But no. It's real. Here we go. Yeet, up. Here we go. Alright, going around the graves. Oh, I like this music. I'm definitely gonna turn it down. Because it is very noisy. It's probably really loud for you guys, so. Here we go. Off we go. There we go. That's how we do it. 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 I can't die, so. No! Wait, what? Wait, what? Do you have to be on for like a certain time? Like, I'm confused. No, don't you try to interrupt me. Alright, here we go. What? Oh, I think I ran into it. Here we go. Stood on it. There you go. Here comes that big jump. Okay. So I think you have to wait till the arrow isn't there, and then, yeah. Yeah, so now I have to wait till the arrow isn't there. There you go. Alright. Here we go. Climbing up. Oh, there's red things? Oh, we gotta be careful. No. Alright, get to the top. Now jump. There we go. This part's gonna be a little easier. I spoke too soon. Way too soon. Oh, we got a chatty. Alright, here we go. Sorry, I wasn't commentating because I was trying to focus. There. Ah, darn. Dude, this thing is so hard. I need to... Hey, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. You may not push me off. Got it. Fat. Those are fat. They're big and fat. They're like little fat red things. Like red blood things. Yeet. Okay, I got the first part nailed. I got this second part. But then this, and I got that one nailed. Good. Lady, can you not move? Can you not? Can you move? I meant. Alright, got it. It's all good. I got it. Alright, so I want to make sure. I just want to make sure. Because I played another obby, and these, like, bars, they didn't kill me. Level 10. I guess it maybe tells us every time we get a 10 levels done. Mid lady, get out. Or, I don't know. Whoever you are. I forgot to jump there. Go. Go. Purple, pink, green, or teal, whatever. White, pink, orange. No! I was so close. It was really close. Go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, man. Go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Green. White. Pink. Orange. Green again. And we did it. We did it. Is that like blood? Am I gonna die from blood? Go. This is pretty easy. And checkpoint. This is easy. Look. Ready? Watch this. I'll do it first try. Oh, well, okay, I got a little too cocky, but I got close to the end. I did get close to the end. All right. Blue, green, red. There we go. Ooh. I'm not going to get cocky on this one. This one I can't get cocky. Because when you get cocky, you don't make it. All right, stairs. Ooh, this is a good one. Go, go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, that was close. Here we go, go, go. Can you? Missed a spot there. Down, down, jaw. There you go. Blue, green, pink. There we go. Pink, green, blue. And I made it. There we go. Look at that. Look at my moves. Look at those moves, man. Right. Jump. Jump. Okay. So jump, 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 jump. I think you can just walk. Jump, walk, jump, jump. There we go. We did it. All right. Why are there, maybe to make it harder, why are there blue? It doesn't, oh, do you die by touching them? Blues? Oh, that's because I had, oh, yes, you don't. That's because I had my little bubble on. That protects me from everything. Okay, that makes sense. So just avoid the blues. I can touch the first one. That's so I was like, why did I just die? Randomly die. Right here. I'm trying to avoid the bubble. Why am I falling right through? There you go. Jump. What? But, okay, this level's hard. I'm so confused. Here. What? So maybe do you have to go right? How am I? Can you guys tell me how this works? I'm so confused. Right? Wait, how do you? Maybe your bubble lasts. Oh, so the more you touch the blue. What? I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. What? I don't know how to do it. What the heck? This is so confusing. How? Is it like in? Fine, jump. What? But I have that little bubble on. So you just gotta go jump. Okay. I don't care. I don't care about the V-Bucks, the Robux, whatever. Okay, so I made it here, but now like I quit by. Was it really that easy? If it was that easy, I think I'm crazy. I'm a little cuckoo. I mean, not that everybody is, but like I'm more cuckoo than anybody. If it was that easy, like why? Darn it. Yeah, that one kind of meant to die. Jump. 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 Got it. Alright, we're level 20 now. Bop. Alright, jump on the red. Interesting. It made. Why did he like make it stretch? Maybe I don't know. I'm questioning this a lot. But alright. I'm gonna jump on the red. There we go. Jump up. No! Red. And red. And so hard. One. There. 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 Almost got it, guys. That's the long one. We did it! Level 21! Okay. So you don't touch the reds. Okay. Makes sense. That makes sense, right? Makes sense. Oh, I hit my mic. I'm very sorry. Oh, no! It's all because I pressed D to try to move like that. And then I'm gonna try to do only. I'm gonna try to do the ASD challenge, the WASD. I can only use WASD. Not bad, not bad. Okay. I'm gonna try. I'm going. I'm doing it. I got this. I don't get too cocky. Stop asking me for that. Here we go. Forward. Sorry, guys, I'm concentrating. We did it! We did the WASD challenge. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, man. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you guys like my content, only if you want to, and I gotta say one thing.